Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt here on YouTube. Got a new 2023 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, ultra cab with a 78-inch stand-up sleeper. This one's got an MX engine in it, 510 horsepower, 1850 torque with an 18 speed. Very quiet engine, and they are doing much better than they used to. A lot of you guys will say, oh, yuck. No, they're doing very well now. So this one is in legendary gray, one of my favorites. Say that all the time. Look at that. Like a bass boat. Just pops. Beautiful color. Just gorgeous. This is what they call a legendary gray, or the legendary colors are a glass effect paint. So it looks like there's a layer of glass over it. Just beautiful. 14-inch drop visor. Got 2 extra cab lights on the top of that, and then we make them all clear. Get a front head-on shot here. Aero mirrors. They're not the old traditional, but they are more functional. They don't vibrate as much. Much nicer. This one doesn't have any lights on it yet. That's going on. We did the drop visor, the train horns, and the extra cab lights. That's our standard package, at least here in Greeley. Polished tanks, polished def cover, got tank heaters. One thing I will show you, here it is, this block off plate. You see this S-bar heater just ends right there, the exhaust pipe. It's because there is no S-bar heater in it. It's all plumbed and wired for one. Just has to be dropped in there. But there's no computer chips, so we get no bunk heaters. But once we do get them, they're easy to install. There's our tank heaters. Got a 100 on this side. We got the short fins on the sleeper, and we do the back of sleeper mounting of the antennas, 6 load lights, deck plate, toolboxes. You know, normally you look here and say, oh yeah, there's a bunk heater there, but the other end is vacant. Jump posts. Michelin XDN 2s, 11R22 5s. Got disc brakes all the way around on this one. It says an interaxle diff lock, but does not have the full lockers. And you always want to get these little cups that kind of surround the temperature sensors for your rear axles. Keeps those things from getting knocked off in the snow and ice. Unless you're hauling in Florida all the time. .280 wheelbase. Nicely polished tanks. Some of the better ones we've seen lately. After treatment is polished. That wonderful glass effect paint. Let's take a look. You get a lot more room under the hood with an MX engine. This is a 13-liter engine. Look at that. You get all the way to the back of the engine, clear back here. So, very, very nice for maintenance. Got air ride steer axle on this one. 510 horse, 1850 torque. That is the most horsepower and torque you can get out of a PACCAR MX engine. They run very well. You can see they encase a lot of the wires in this stuff. So the theory is not to have any broken wires. So no more 12-volt test lights. Of course, we've kind of been past that spot with most every vehicle anymore. So as you can see, you just get a lot more room under the hood. And they used to have a tag up here, but now they're moving it over to here. So, very quiet engine. Camshaft's deep in the block, down low. Take a look at this. Look at that paint. Just beautiful. Just gorgeous. This is our standard platinum interior, gray, obviously. Very, very nice. And there's our weight, 18,036 pounds. 18,036 pounds. You got the black seats, new digital dash. Again, very quiet engine. Let that fire up. Get some AC going. It is hot here today. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, all that. Got the train horn, factory CB, full gauges, switches. We put a double acting PTO switch there, but you see it also has another one. So you can change those out to whatever you want. A lot of times if you want the front axle to dump, you can use one of those PTO switches. Smart wheel, 18 speed, 78-inch single bunk sleeper. And I'm going to show you, close these two doors. There we go. Sorry about that. So the S-bar heater would go right down in there. That's the block-off plate for the heater. And there's your access in the sleeper. So you have all that storage underneath here. And then this stays in the cab, but more storage there as well. Those are just on gas shocks. The business center on the passenger side. We've got the full cabinets here. Closet. Control panel. There's your S-bar heater. Like I said, it's completely wired and ready to go. So all I have to do is drop it in once we can get them. And we got a fridge. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. It's a beautiful truck. Very quiet. There's our standard cup holder from the factory. Some guys like them, some guys don't. This one happens to have it. So, just thought I'd share this one. Very quiet truck. You're cruising the interstates all day. This one has a very low noise level. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody that donated to Levi's GoFundMe deal. Our mobile tech who lost his life here a few weeks ago. Thank you very much. It was amazing. The comments and the kindness from all over the world. It was just amazing. So thank you. Thank you very much. We're going to make a difference in his son's life. And that's all we can do, even if it's from afar. So thank you very much. God bless all of you and have a good day. Take care.